looking this way
Yeah,
first.
so you can get up close.
You can get right up close, and then I'll try to explain what stuff is. At least maybe I can do a couple groups at a time. But that big gray device that you see with the green hole around it, that's our ventilator. And that's an IV pump. So basically, every aircraft's a little different. Our other aircraft actually is mobile in here. This aircraft actually has a weird structure that comes out. So we have to be mobile. I mean, most of the time we can land right where we need to be, but occasionally we'll actually be taking a pickup truck around to the patient. So we have 2 backpacks with all of our medical equipment in it. And the nurse and myself can go to the patient and help with our local ambulance. We'll bring them back to the aircraft if we need to. A lot of people say, "Oh, how come we carry backpacks?" And that's why, because sometimes we have to move our equipment to the patients. So while every helicopter is just a little bit different, our equipment, as far as medical equipment, across the state and really the country, we essentially use the same equipment. Every helicopter is equipped with a ventilator. We carry roughly 90 medications. In simple terms, I always put it, basically we're a mobile intensive care unit. Not every medicine, but just about any medicine that you would see in the ICU up here in the hospital, we carry that. And then the above and beyond part is the whole advanced airway management that we do. We can put the tube down in, called the endotracheal tube, and put you on the ventilator. We're also trained in surgical procedures. Typically, one person sits here, and that person's kind of dedicated to the airway. That's the most important operations. And the other person sits in the side seat. And while this looks small, it's actually nice because we need to be able to reach everything. Because everything has to be strapped down in flight. So I don't have to get up to it. So everything is our other helicopter. Feel free, if you want, to sit in here and take a picture. Again, just don't press buttons or like pull tabs and that kind of thing. So you're welcome to peek your head around in here, and also